So this is the shower and built-in bathroom. This has it's a tankless water heater, gas. So it is hooked up to the propane, and it has hot water. Let me see. It's not, but it's kind of tight too. Start button. Okay, so there's the water coming out. And it is hot. So it's nice that we do have the option of having hot water in here. I don't want to keep it on too much. So it's very, very nice to have. So we do have hot water. We do have hot water. Getting drained in there. Pretty neat, right? I'll show you where. Here's the compartment. So she's in here. There is a fan in there. There is a fan in there. I have it on. You can put, it is still a little bit too hot, so I can lower it. And you can lower the water pressure too. You don't need a real high water pressure. And there's a fan for the vent. So here's where it closes. And if you're not using it, you can turn off the fan because it is kind of loud. And there you go. And there's our little bathroom shower combo.